Hello and welcome back to this peach blossom pool build. This is part 12, which I didn't think it would take that long to build this, but as you can probably tell from other videos if you've seen the previous ones, it's not been the easiest thing to put together. We're on this at the moment. I've shown this plenty of times, but we've got the main of the base bit done. Now we're working up in the Waterfall region, and we're on bag 2, so hopefully it's not going to take too much more time to build this, because I've got another one on the way that was bought out of more to the fact that I was just frustrated with this one. Very close to giving up in the last couple of videos, or like 2 videos ago, 3 videos ago. The last video was good because we managed to build this up, but the base of that started to really get on my nerves, so I was very close to giving up on building this, but we persevered, got through it, and well, once we finish this one, as long as I know that I'm going to have another one to build for you guys, pretty much straight away, once this is finished, boxed up and put in there, I will straight away be able to just crack on with another one. No waiting around for a delivery, which is nice. Keep the flow going, try and hopefully that will be less stressful, and I can just chat more and more about life. Like today it's what's the time? 20 past 9 in the morning. I did wake up at like 7:30 because I normally start work then, but without an alarm clock. That was impressive. Start work at 12 today, so I thought I got a couple of hours to just kill. So I thought, build some more Lego for you lot. And yeah, I think today when I go to work, it's only going to be, we've got a delivery of slabs which we're waiting on for this job that we're on. We haven't really got much more we can do until the slabs arrive, so got told yesterday to come in at 12 today, because it seems like all we're doing is carrying the slabs around from the front of the house to the back of the house. So that shouldn't take, I think 3 of us are going, so it shouldn't take too long. And yeah, then I'll probably be back again. I think I've got there's nieces and nephews downstairs now, so I'm going to try and get this video up, edit it, well not edit it, but upload it, then make it into a short, and then I'll go down and spend time with the niece before I go to work, and then spend time with them before they go home after I finish work. And then I'll be back on after dinner, which I've actually got in the fridge, so it won't take me long just to get out, eat it, and I'll be back later on in the evening to make a couple more videos. What am I doing? I'm trying to separate these blocks out that I need for this next part, so I just need one of them. Oh, and one of them. A 4x2 on a right angle. But yeah, I'm not sure how long I've got left on this job that we're doing at the moment. Before I started the video, I went through in my mind what we've got left to do, and at first thought you think it's almost done, but then it just goes on, and you've just got other jobs. Like we've got the patio today, we've got a couple more steps to build up before we lay on them. Square goes on the end, and then yeah, we've got the patio today at the top, a couple more steps before we lay those slabs on there. Then we've got a little platform, and then curved steps to build or to lay on, and then we've got to dig out for a square patio at one end of a pathway that we've got to put in. We've got to lay the path, dig out and base up for another square patio, take up old slabs and dig that out and put a new soil in there and build another square patio the other end of the path at the bottom of the steps, build some slabs around the side of the steps, and then fill a couple of flower beds, and then topsoil the whole grass area so it levels it off, because we've made it like a little bit divoty. So, but we'll get the job finished eventually. I feel like it'll be another week and a half to 2 weeks. Then I think we've got another job to start in the end of the month. But hopefully we finish this by the end of the month. Because then we've got, what am I doing? I'm taking them out of the box. I've got them here. Yeah, we've got something to do on another farm for someone that's got horses. We've got to do like a, what would you call it? Not a stable. We've done a fencing for a stable on the same farm. Now we've got to do a like sort of like a gravelly area for the horse. I think just to run around on. Or I don't really know what they use it for. I think they put like maybe hurdles on there. I ain't got a clue, but I'll try to let you know what it is when we're doing it. Alright, this piece up on there. That one goes on there. Where am I missing a piece? Yeah, I didn't get 3 of those. Miscount, well, didn't miscount, I misread the instruction. Where's this going? I guess it's there. Where am I? There. I think this one's nearly built. Then I can feed that wire through it. Just one more 4x1. There. I think there's just a couple more layers to go. Well, I say a couple, 4 more. Just have a little sneaky peek. No, I've still got a few more to put on. Never mind. What do I want? What do I want? I need one of them. That over. 2 of them. 1 and 2. 3 3x1s. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4 of those L-shaped. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. I saw the results yesterday in the football Champions League. That was a shock for Man City, wasn't it? That's 2 defeats. I can remember them losing in a row now. Man United on the weekend, and then against, who was it? Bodo Glimt. Shocking result for them. I don't know what's going on with them at the moment. Starting to really make it look like Arsenal could actually win the league. Which as a Chelsea fan ain't ideal. And I know a lot of Arsenal fans are going to be so annoying online. Well, certain Arsenal fans, some are alright, to be fair. Just on a square. I think that's that for that. Yeah, okay. So, put another square on here. Then, it's looking like a single one of these. Just gonna go on there. And one of these on there. Okay, I'm hoping this is coming together nicely now. Not going to make any more errors. Trying to very much concentrate I don't really know what I do there. And I do know I need 2 of these. One of you is going there. One of you is going to go there. And then another one. And another one. I watched a film last night. What did I watch? What did I watch last night? I did watch a film last night. I can't remember what it was. Oh, Venom. I haven't seen that film for a while, so I thought I'd watch it. And it's a good film. I think is there 3 of them now? If there is, I haven't seen the 3rd one, but I can't think how many there are. It's definitely 2, I know that. Pretty sure they made a 3rd. What else did I do? I made pasta, mainly because I wanted to make some for today for work, but then I got a message after I made it that we weren't starting till 12, so I don't have to take it in, so I can have it for dinner. Later on I'll have some food before I go to work in about an hour, and then yeah, we can see what the day holds for us. I don't think it's a lot, and the weather as well isn't going to help, because I've looked at the weather app and it's looking pretty bad for us this week and next week. But I know it changes like all the time. You know, sometimes like it's the worst way is when it says it's going to be nice and then it's not. So like at work you're doing like we've done like built block work and stuff, and then it rains and you're like, it wasn't meant to rain. It said on the weather, no rain. So you can't always trust the apps on your phone or Met Office or whatever. Well, Met Office is apparently the most accurate, but even still, best way is just look out the window, or you know, I guess once you work outside for a while, you sort of like get the feeling if it's going to rain, which I never really understood when I first started up and we worked as like subcontractors, me and another lad worked as a subcontractor to a company, and their workers used to say they could feel or smell that it's going to rain or something. But now you actually understand that you actually can get those like not symptoms but senses of actual feeling of it going to rain. Hang on there. And I need another one of these. Pretty sure this is all I need now, just this one goes there. Nice, this one will go there. I feel like I'm getting the hang of this build and it's coming together faster than it was. And now we're on the final. Now there's maybe three or 4 layers to go, and then that's complete. And we will be very much getting somewhere with this then. I need one of those funny looking things, one of these. I need that eventually. I need 2 of the single blocks here and here. Oh, stand up. Then I need a 2 3x1s. That one there, that one there. 3 L shapes. there, and that one there. Chelsea are playing tonight actually in the Champions League. No idea how that's going to go. We're hot and cold, we're hit and miss. Just couldn't tell you. I put 3-0 on Super 6. But it could be literally like any score. We could draw, we could lose, we could batter them, we could nickel 1-0. It could be the dullest 0-0, I don't know. Just don't know. So, you know, this is coming along nice and it's starting to look like it's going to actually turn out pretty fancy build, really. Pretty fancy. Alright, so this one's going to go there. And we've got this thing which sits here. That just makes the hole smaller, which isn't the best thing because I've got to put, as I said in a video previous to this one, I've got to feed a lead with all the light bulbs up through this. That's going to be a very tight squeeze in there, isn't it? If I can figure out the angle, there you can see through that tiny little hole, I've got to feed a lead with the little wire in for the light bulb so that it goes up through there and then wraps around all sorts. And that's where that's showing me there. I'm hoping it's not going to be as difficult as it looks or seems. Oh dear, don't fall on the floor, I need you. So yeah, build this, spend some time with the littons, and then go to work for a few hours I suppose, and then be back and making this up again. So we've got a 3 there. Got, I think, that 3 goes along here. I think this is the easiest way to build this, because then it's got a block here. Come on, come on, go on there. And then a block, oh this is going to be so difficult. Oh, I've done it. And then this one sits there. Oh, we're getting there. We're getting there, look at that. It's the waterfall. Actually looks pretty sick. I like it. I like it. Nearly there now. I've got one more, well actually 8 more pieces and this waterfall's complete. I can fit the wire through, fix it on there, and it might be the shortest video and the best bit of building I've done in this build. I've not made any errors. Let's not jinx it now. Touch wood, I guess, just to be safe. Where's 2 of those? 2 of those, come on. Nope. Where are you? Where are they? Oh, there's 2 of them. Hello? Good day. Are you here? Why am I struggling to find these pieces? They're like squares with a slope on. There's one, surely. Yes, there. Need another one of these. There. No, it's just 2 blocks. That's a thinner one. Come on, stop wasting our time. Just show yourself. Show yourself. Nope, that's a small one. That's a small one. Oh, this is not. Why do I keep saying things and then it just doesn't work? It's going to be the shortest video so far, and I can't find what I'm looking for. It's just a square. Please, there is one in here, right? There's got to be one in here. There. Oh, I found it. Come on then. So 2 of them. Bang and a bang. And then one of the 2x1s. There. Bosh. Stand up. And then a clear one of them and a clear one of them. So a clear one of them. And a clear. One of them? Yes. Alright, I've found all the pieces to finish this waterfall. I can connect it. And it will be hopefully the shortest video by like a minute. No, it's not going to be. It's not going to be. This is not going to work. I'm going to put this. Turn this that way. That faces that way. So that goes on there. One of these goes next to it. On there. Then we get 2 of these. One goes on there. Glad to say I don't think it shrinks the hole anymore. Oh no, it does. It actually might. It actually. What am I trying to do here? Wait. That's an L shaped there. Oh, that one. That one goes on there. Okay. We're getting there. We are getting there, people. And there's a 2 that sits across there, I believe. No, I've done it. I've talked myself into it. I've made a mistake, but it's easily fixed. Not to worry. This one goes there. Come on, nearly there. We're nearly there. So that was the last thing I put on. This one touches that one. Yeah, there's a very, very small hole now. This lead has to feed through there. Oh, flaming heck. That one sits on there. And this 2-piece sits. Oh my word. It's only gone and dropped. What? I've got a piece stuck in there. No, I've got a rattle. No. Oh my god. No. You're joking. No. That's a joke. Ah, got it out. That was close. That would have been terrible if I couldn't get that out. Why is this doing that then? That has to sit on here. You're lying. What? Okay, we've done it. Look at where the lead's got to come out from. That tiny little hole there. The lead has to go through. Oh my word. I mean, the lead's not big. but can I put it through there? What's that clear brick for? Oh, here. Why is there just a clear brick there? This is going to seem weird, but genuinely need a little clear brick, and it sits where? It sits there. Why does it sit there? Where is that? That square there, so it's diagonal from that, so it sits on here. That's so odd. But yeah, that brick sits there. I always wondered when I looked the other day why that random block was there. But now we get the fun bit. Is it going to be fun? I don't know. It's definitely not the shortest video so far, but it's definitely been probably the cleanest video, the best, like, I just don't have the patience or the knack for this. Does it even fit in there? The light bulb's pretty chunky. What? Oh, it does. It's going. It's going. Feed it. Feed it. Yes! I've got it. I've actually got it. Come on. What are you doing? What? Go through the hole. Yes. Oh, this is going to take some time. Just keeps catching. On what? Oh, you got to come through that hole. Oh, I got it. I've got it. I've got it. We've got it. We've actually not got it. We've got it. We've not got it. This is techie, man. Hello? Yes? Yes? It's working. I've done it. And then this thing sits. Where did it sit? Where did it sit? Where did it sit? 2 in from the end. So it sits there. Yes! Yes! We've done it! Yes! Yes, boy. There it is. The water fountain is complete. Well, one of them. One of the water fountains is complete and it's fully taken shape. It is looking good, man. This is worth it. That was worth the stress, sort of. Well, it was worth pushing on through and not giving up. I was close to doing so. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna call it there. We now look like we've got to build the next waterfall, so I'm gonna take a bit of a break and, well, I'll be back after I finish work. I'm gonna go spend some time with the little nieces and nephews, get some food. Then I'll go to work, do what we got to do. I think it's just gonna unpack some slabs. A couple of hours maybe, 2-3 hours, be home. Make another video, have dinner, make another couple of videos later. And we will be making so much more progress into this build. Getting closer towards the end. Got another one, as I say, in the locker, so one's on the way in delivery, so hopefully get that Friday, and then whenever this is completed, I can start the next one straight away. No waiting around for delivery. And then I'll see how that one starts. So if I feel like it's going to not take too long, I'll get another one ready to be delivered or on the way. So when that one's finished, I'll get another one ready to be started up, and we'll just keep the videos flowing. And yeah, if you're enjoying this, please leave it a like, subscribe, and yeah, I will catch you hopefully later on. Might not be after work, Might be after dinner when all the kids have gone home. Because they're all like hyper at that time, and then they calm down, they go home, and then they go to sleep, and I can do this. So I might just do another 2 videos later on tonight. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.